To ensure you're making the most of your wall oven, get to know the air fry feature. Get better flavors from your favorite healthy foods by using air fry in your Electrolux wall oven. Here are some tips to get you started. How does it work? Air fry works by evenly circulating heated air to deliver crisp, golden results with little to no oil. Your wall oven comes equipped with an air fry tray that is specifically designed to optimize your oven space for large capacity air frying and ensures even heating on all sides. Plus, the air fry tray is dishwasher safe. For best results, use the air fry tray on rack position 3. When using your air fry feature, make sure to arrange food in a single layer. To use the air fry feature, select air fry from oven modes. Enter the suggested temperature for your food and touch start. When the preheat tone sounds, place the tray on rack position 3. To minimize smoke and catch any crumbs that may fall, place the baking sheet on rack position 1 below the air fry tray. If setting a cook time, wait until after the oven is preheated. At the end of the cook time, air fry will turn off. Setting the timer to the minimum suggested time is a good option to check if your food is done. When cook time ends, off will be on the display screen. Press on/off to return the display back to showing the time of day. Curious what type of food works best with air fry? The air fry feature takes packaged and convenience foods to the next level. But that shouldn't stop you from exploring and experimenting with fresh foods too. If you experience some smoke while using air fry, this is normal. Air fry circulates heated air all around the food and bakeware. When drippings from the greasy foods combine with the hot air from the oven, some smoking can occur. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.